How to disable video autoplay on Instagram. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to disable video autoplay on Instagram. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so first open up the Instagram app on your mobile device, then head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Once in your profile, tap on the menu button in the top right hand corner. Then tap on Settings. On the next menu, tap on Account. On this menu, tap on Cellular Data Use. And here on the first option where it says Data Saver, toggle this one on, and then videos won't load in advance to help you use less data. And that's all it takes to disable video autoplay on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.